The cost and method for repairing a side panel dent on a Honda City depend on factors like dent size, location, and whether paint damage is involved. Here are some common repair options. 1. Paintless dent repair PDR. Best for small to medium dents with no paint damage. Process: a technician uses specialized tools to massage the dent out. Cost: $1,500, $5,000, India, $50, $1 to $100 international. Time: 1 to 3 hours. 2. Traditional dent repair body filler and paint. Best for larger dents with paint damage. Process: the dent is pulled out, body filler is applied, and the panel is repainted. Cost: $5,000, $15,000, $150, $500. Time: 1 to 3 days. 3. Panel replacement. Best for severe dents or deep structural damage. Process: the entire side panel is replaced and repainted. Cost: $15,000, $30,000, $300, $1,000. Time: 2 to 5 days. Where to get it fixed? Honda Authorized Service Center ensures quality and warranty. Local denting and painting shops, more affordable but quality varies. Mobile Dent Repair Services, convenient for small dents. Would you like recommendations for a repair shop in your city? Factors affecting repair cost and time. Several factors determine how much and how long it will take to repair the side panel dent on your Honda City. Size and depth of the dent. Small dents less than 2 inches are easier and cheaper to fix. Large or deep dents require more extensive repairs. Location of the dent. If the dent is on a flat area of the panel, it's easier to fix. If it's near the wheel arch, door edge, or creases, the repair becomes more complex. Paint damage. If the paint is intact, paintless dent repair PDR is an option. If the paint is chipped or scratched, repainting is necessary. Workshop type. Authorized Honda service centers ensure quality but are more expensive. Local garages offer budget-friendly repairs, but quality varies. Mobile Dent Repair Services are convenient for minor dents. Steps in the repair process. Inspection. The technician assesses the damage and determines the best repair method. Dent removal. Using suction tools or body hammers, the dent is pulled out. Filling and sanding. If the dent is deep, body filler is applied, sanded, and smoothed. Painting and polishing. If needed, the panel is repainted to match the original color and polished for a seamless finish. How to prevent future dents. Use protective side moldings to absorb small impacts. Park carefully to avoid tight spaces and reckless drivers. Install door edge guards to reduce minor dings from other vehicles. Would you like help finding a repair shop near your location? Choosing the right repair method. When repairing a dent on your Honda City's side panel, selecting the right method ensures both cost-effectiveness and a long-lasting finish. Paintless Dent Repair PDR is a great choice for minor dents with no paint damage, as it maintains the original factory finish. However,
जाने और जाने के तेरी नंबर की शादी वो क्या है मान आगे में कम करने वाला मोला कौन नहीं गाछ पड़े गाछ चला ले दो गाछ एक बार दिया biar ikan kenapa कलर यार बात और पीछे करा कर माड़ी बाहर करा के नहीं तक लाला दे पीछे करा गया इधर ले आने गड्डी ना बस थोड़ी कर चला अरे लाइक हो रहा है ना लाला